13 days and counting. That's how long you have left to enroll for health care. Reverend Carlton Mahone from Bethel CME Church in Macon joins us this morning to talk more about why it's important to sign up before the deadline. Good morning.
Good morning.
So let's talk about, first of all, what Bethel CME Church is doing to help the community sign up for health care.
Okay, we have become a venue, we call it a ministry, to reach persons who may be having difficulty in signing up. And one of the ways to solve that is to make the venue user-friendly. And we have persons on hands, and we have connection with the navigator who's certified to help us do so. A couple of things we're going to provide is the time for them to come, and actually starting tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. throughout the week, and then the rest of the month, Monday through Friday, we're going to be doing 10 to 5. Persons will be on hand to assist them, and if they're having problems, signing up, we will help them do that. One example would probably be if they don't have an email address, we can actually set up a Yahoo or Gmail email account for them, and they will have that. That's just one example. And we're looking to do that. We kind of see this as translated into a ministry of compassion and caring about those persons who cannot get signed up.
And the deadline is the end of this month, so people really need to act quickly.
And we've called it the ACA March Madness because we got a lot of that going on. Congratulations to Mercer, by the way.
Most definitely. So talk about how this really benefits the community, and you guys have done some workshops like this already in the past.
Right. What it does, it extends the opportunity for those persons because of their work schedule, because of transportation. It can be a lot of things. We can actually go pick them up with the church van, bring them to the church. And one week we'll bring them to the church because we have access to the Wi-Fi. Persons using laptops, the landline phones, and etc. So we have provided those resources that they can do that.
And this has been pretty successful, the ones that you've been able to help.
Not as the ones that we've been able to help, it's been successful, but the numbers have not been what we wanted because we know the need is great. So we're just trying to exhaust every ounce of resource we have so we can get it done for them.
And we got a little less than 30 seconds. Can you say the dates and the times and the location one more time?
Okay. Starting tomorrow from 10 to 5, we're going to be at the church, and persons will be there to assist them. Then next week, March 24th through the 28th, we have persons from 10 to 5. And then, of course, the last day, March 31st, which is a Monday, from 10 to 5. And the email address is Bethel CME Church at bellsouth.net. The telephone number is 478-746-8007.
Very great. Thank you so much, sir. And again, the deadline to enroll for health care is March 31st. And this ACA March Madness that Reverend was talking about is going on this Wednesday through Friday. And again, next week and the very last day of the month at Bethel CME Church on Pioneer Avenue. And again, for more information, you can just call 746-8007.